Welcome. GST, Goods and Service Tax India. Dear Indian GST dealers, in this video we have explained how to prepare or design best GST invoice. This invoice format is best and accepted by Indian GST Council. GST invoice design is very important part in your business. To grow up your business, spend some time to design your GST invoice. Good invoice format will be attractive to your customer. In the GST invoice, you must mention the following important information. Numeral 1, supplier company name, address and supplier GST number. Numeral 2, customer company name, address and customer GST number. Numeral 3, GST invoice number and date. Numeral 4, HSN code and item-wise GST rate. Numeral 5, total taxable value. Numeral 6, CGST and SGST amount or IGST/UGST amount. Numeral 7, HSN code-wise table. Numeral 8, authorized signature. And you can also mention your bank details and other information as per your mode of business. For example, if you are exporter, then you must mention export and import code in your GST invoice. Or if you are dealing with medical, then you must enter drug license number. In the same way, enter your other required information or registration numbers in your GST invoice. This is one of the GST invoice format. You can design your GST invoice in any accounting packages, that is Tally, Bookkeeper, Zoho Books and more. Or use any regular software like Microsoft Excel, Microsoft Word. Or you can also prepare GST invoice in manually, that means paper-based GST invoice. We highly recommend it. Use accounting package softwares like Tally, Bookkeeper, Zoho Books or any other accounting package to generate GST invoice. Because in accounting package software, you can easily generate GST invoice and an easy way to file GSTR1, GSTR3B and other GST return. Now we will explain clearly all previous discussion 8 points. Point numeral 1. GST invoice must contain supplier name, supplier address, supplier office contact number or mobile number, supplier email ID, and the most important point is supplier GST number. Point number 2. Customer name, customer address, customer office contact number or mobile number, customer email ID and customer GST number. The customer is nothing but buyer or consignee. You can mention any of these. Please note, if your customer is unregistered GST dealer, just keep blank and customer GST number field or mention unregistered person. Point number 3. GST invoice number and invoice date. Take care to generate GST invoice number. An important point that needs to be kept in mind is such invoice number should be unique for that financial year. Point number 4. HSN code and GST rate. You must mention your selling product HSN code and that product GST rate. Point number 5. Total GST taxable value. In our tutorial, there is only one product, so no need to mention subtaxable total. If invoice contain 2 or more products, you must mention subtaxable total. Point number 6. CGST amount and SGST amount, or IGST or USGT amount.